The large basket I received when I ordered the XP 3.0 does not sit very flush against the frame until you tighten down the bolts all the way down. But you can see that on the XP 3.0, this part of the basket, the base, was composed of 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and there's welds at these intersections. Same thing on this side. There's 4 welds there. But it seems that on the XP trike, there's been an improvement on the cargo package shipping now, because there is no welds at those points. So this whole piece is one piece when it used to be 4 different pieces. So that makes for easier manufacturing control and makes for a much nicer flush fitting basket. When we look at the small baskets, it's the same story. Here you can see this is the small basket. It's attached to the front rack, but ignore that. The front basket here on the XP 3.0 has welds here, 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 and here. So we had 1, 2, 3 pieces here, and 1, 2, 3 pieces here. Now on the small basket for the trike, you can see this is all one piece. So again, this makes for a much flatter and better fitting basket when you put it onto the front rack. Good job, Lectric. Good job on continuous improvements.